Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to copy folder link in Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to copy the folder link in Picsart, first open up your Picsart app on your phone. And after opening your Picsart app on your phone, guys, you'll land on this interface, which is the home interface of Picsart. Now, in order to proceed from over here, guys, at the bottom of the screen on this interface, you can see a bunch of icons available for us, where there is the folder icon, the plus icon, and the person icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the folder or the file button available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen, and this page will open where all of your folders which you had created on Picsart will be available for us. Now, in order to copy the folder link in Picsart, simply tap and hold on the folder of the link which you want to copy, and when you tap and hold on it for a moment, this kind of panel will appear where you can see the copy link button available for us just above the delete button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on copy link, and that link will be copied to your clipboard. Now, in order to paste it to the person, in order to share it, guys, I'll be just pasting it on the notes of the phone, but you can paste it wherever like, or wherever you like, or to whomever you like on the social media or through mail. So I'll be pasting on notepad. You can see, guys, this has been pasted over here, and this way, guys, you'll be able to copy the folder link in Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.